Okay, good morning, students. Yesterday, I explained the inverse Laplace transform in the topic of linearity property. So today topic is first shifting theorem and multiplication by SO, division by SO. Some important properties are available. That properties we are discussing. So first we calculate the first shifting theorem in the inverse Laplace transform. So how to simplify a problem in first shifting theorem? So I sharing a document. So first we go to problem. I discussing the formula of first shifting theorem. So first shifting theorem in the Laplace transform is Laplace transform of first shifting theorem L of e power at into f of t. First we calculate L of f of t, we getting the answer f bar of s. After getting f bar of s, then s tends to here plus a, I replace s minus a in s tends to s minus a. So finally, f bar of s is converted as f bar of s minus a. This is the first shifting theorem in the Laplace transform. But first shifting theorem in the inverse Laplace transform is reverse operation. That reverse operation is in the problem we have f bar of s minus a format. F bar of s minus a. Suppose we are applying L inverse of f bar of s minus a, we have to write just f bar of s into here minus a, so we multiply e power at. So reverse of the first shifting theorem in the Laplace transform is called the first shifting theorem of the inverse Laplace transform. ఒకసారి లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ థియరం ఎలా ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో ఎలా రాస్తున్నాం ఒకసారి చూస్తే, okay, in the Laplace transform the left hand side is e power at in the function f of t, L of e power at into f of t equal to f bar of s tends to s minus a. Finally I write f bar of s minus a. This is the first shifting theorem in the Laplace transform. L is go to right hand side, then e power at into f of t. So we have to write L inverse of f bar of s minus a, or applying L inverse on both sides. Left side L into L inverse equal to 1. The remaining value is e power at into f of t. In the right side L inverse of f bar of s minus a. Observe that the right hand side value in terms of s minus a, we write e power at into f of t. So first we have to write f bar of s minus a into f bar of s in the inverse Laplace L inverse. We have to multiply here minus a, so the opposite side plus a. So e power at into f bar L inverse of f bar of s. అంటే క్లియర్గా చెప్పాలి అంటే మనకి లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ నుంచి ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో ఫంక్షన్ ఏమవుతుంది, ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ అవుతుంది, క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మనం నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఎల్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ బార్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ as s tends to s minus a, then L inverse of f bar of s minus a. This is the first shifting property of the Laplace transform. Laplace transform లో ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్. దీనికి L అప్లై దీనికి మనం L ఇన్వర్స్ అప్లై చేసుకుంటే ఎలా వస్తుంది? So reverse applying, so L inverse of f bar of s minus a is converted to L inverse of f bar of s. We have to multiply exponential term. So here minus a, so e power at as a multiple. So s minus a is converted to s. S minus a is converted to s in the multiple of e power at. This is the reverse condition of the first shifting theorem. Okay, s place లో s minus a రీప్లేస్ చేసేదాన్ని ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ థియరం అంటాము. దేంట్లో లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో s minus a ప్లేస్ లో s minus a ప్లేస్ లో s రీప్లేస్ చేసి e పవర్ 80 మల్టిప్లై అయితే దాన్ని ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ థియరం ఇన్ ది ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్. So s tends to s minus a is a first shifting theorem in the Laplace transform. S minus a to s in the multiple of e power 80. This is the first shifting theorem in the inverse Laplace transform. ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా ఇంత వరకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి కారణం ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏవైనా ఎస్ మైనస్ ఏ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఉంటే వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను అండి. టేకింగ్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎల్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ s minus a by s minus a whole square plus 4 is the given problem. First we have to convert s minus a to s because L inverse have s by s square plus a square or 2 square. It has a formula available. It has no formula. So first we convert s minus a to s by using the first shifting. So s minus a ని s లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే తప్ప మనకి మన ఫార్ములా రాదు కాబట్టి సో ఫస్ట్ we convert s minus a to s by using first shifting property in the inverse Laplace transform. So clearly observe that L inverse of I write s minus a to s by s square. I write the 4 to 2 square. So s minus a is converted to s. Observe that numerator is s minus a, here s, and denominator is s minus a whole square. Here only s square. Write 4 as a 2 square. So and also multiply the exponential term. The power of here minus a, so we write the opposite sign plus at. I repeat once. In the given problem, L inverse of s minus a by s minus a whole square plus 4. So it has no formula in the inverse Laplace. So formula is available in this format, s by s square plus a square or 2 square. It has a formula exists. It has no formula. So the given problem is converted in the below format. So observe that these two equations we have replaced s tends to s. So s minus a as converted to s, so it has to apply a formula of inverse Laplace transform. S minus a ని s లో కనుక కన్వర్ట్ చేయగలిగితే మన దగ్గర ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఫార్ములా అనేది ఉంది. So how to convert as s minus a to s? By using the first shifting theorem. First we have to write in the place of s minus a to s. So I write s minus a in the place as s. Here s minus a whole square, I write s square and write 4 as 2 square. And apply exponential as a multiple of s function. So and multiply exponential term in the power of minus a. So we write the opposite sign plus at. So e power 80 into L inverse of s by s square plus 2 square. We know that e power 80 L inverse of s by s square plus 2 square. The formula of L inverse is cos 2t. This is the using the first shifting theorem in the inverse Laplace transforms. Inverse Laplace transform లో ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తాం? s మైనస్ ఏ కాంబినేషన్స్ అన్ని s లో రాయాలి. దానికోసం ఏం చేయాలి? e పవర్ at మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. సో the another way is we write the s minus a to s. So first we apply as s minus a to s. First we write the exponential term e power at, because here minus a is available, here minus a, so we write the opposite sign e power at. Then we can replace s minus a to s, s by s square plus 2 square. This is another way. First we have to write exponential and replace s minus a to s. E power at and the formula of s by s plus s square plus s square equal to cos 2t. ఏం అర్థమైందా? రివర్స్ లో మనం ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ థియరం ప్రాపర్టీ ఎలా అప్లై చేస్తున్నాము? s మైనస్ a ని s కింద కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే యాజ్ s మైనస్ a is converted to s, first we have to multiply e power at. ఎందుకు e power at మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం? Because the condition of first shifting theorem in the Laplace transform, L of e power at into f of t, we have to write f bar of s minus a. So ఇక్కడ s minus a రావడానికి reason multiple of e power at. So that's why in the inverse Laplace transform also, first we convert s minus a to s, multiplying e power at in first. Okay, doing some simple problems. In inverse Laplace transform, we have to discuss in the topic is how to find out the problems by using first shifting theorem. So here the problem is L inverse of s plus 3 by s square minus 10s plus 29. S plus 3 by s square minus 10s plus 29. First we have to write the denominator as a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square format. Taking the denominator value is s square minus 10s plus 29. S square minus 10s plus 29. So taking that, take s square minus 10s plus 29. It is converted to as a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So it is converted as a minus b whole square because in the combination of s coefficient as minus, so a square minus 2ab is possible because in the second the coefficient of s is in negative position. So we have to convert as a minus b whole square. The formula of a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Observe that a in the position of s, b as a constant, b is not clear, we have to write the b term. So first a square, s square minus 2ab. So write to 10 as, write to 10 in terms of 2. So 2 into remaining value 5. So write as 2 into 5 and in between value s. Plus, so observe that a square minus 2a, here a equal to s and b equal to 5. So b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square 25 and remaining value in 29. So 4 and remaining value is 4. So a square minus 2ab, here b is 5. So we have to write in the b square plus 5 square. 5 square means 25. In the 25, the balance value in 29 as 4. We have to write 25 plus 4 equal to 29. So here 5 square is already exists. We write the remaining balance value 4. So how to convert s square minus 10s plus 29 as a minus b whole square. How to expand s square minus 2 into s into 5 plus 5 square and remaining balance value 4. In the underlining value a minus b whole square, here a equal to s and b equal to 5, s minus 5 whole square, and also write 4 as 2 square. So finally s square minus 10s plus 29 is equal to s minus 5 whole square plus 2 square. So to change the denominator value as s square minus 10s plus 29 as s minus 5 whole square plus 2 square, we simplify the only the denominator. We simplify only the denominator value. So replace it in the first problem. S square minus 10s plus 29 as s minus 5 whole square plus 2 square. So the denominator is converted as s minus 5 whole square plus 2 square. The numerator also is in the terms of s minus a, because the numerator is s minus 3 and denominator is s minus 5 whole square plus 2 square. It is not possible to convert s plus 3 as s. So ఇక్కడ ఏవైతే టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే we applying the first shifting condition, first shifting property in the inverse Laplace transform. But here s minus 5 combination, but here s plus 3, both are different. In the numerator and denominator terms are both different. We know we not possible to apply the first shifting. Suppose we apply the first shifting in the inverse Laplace transform, all combination of s terms are in same. So here s minus 5 whole square, no need to change. So we have to change s plus 3. ఏమో ఒక పాయింట్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, ఇక్కడ న్యూమినేటర్ లో ఒక కాంబినేషన్ ఎస్ కి, డినామినేటర్ లో ఒక కాంబినేషన్ ఎస్ కి ఉంటే మనం ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ అప్లై చేయలేము. ఎటువంటి వాటికి అప్లై చేయగలం అంటే న్యూమినేటర్ లో డినామినేటర్ లో ఎస్ కి సేమ్ కాంబినేషన్ రావాలి. సో ఎస్ మైనస్ 5 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అనేది ఎలాగో చేంజ్ అవ్వదు కాబట్టి దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఎస్ ప్లస్ 3ని ఎస్ మైనస్ 5 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. మరి ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం? మనకి -5 కంపల్సరీగా కావాల్సిందే. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు కన్వర్ట్ s plus 3 ఈక్వల్ టు s minus 5. సో -5 కి ఎంత వాల్యూ యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి +3 వస్తుంది? సో +8. -5 plus 8, the final value is s plus 3. So s plus 3 is converted as s minus 5 plus 8. ఎందుకు +3ని 2 plus 1 రాయొచ్చు కదా, లేదు 4 minus 1 రాయొచ్చు కదా. ఎందుకు -5 plus 8 రాసామంటే the denominator combination of s is strictly s minus 5. So numerator combination s also is converted as s minus 5 only. So not converted as plus 1, not converted as 4 minus 1. Denominator అనేది ఫిక్స్ వాల్యూ కాబట్టి న్యూమినేటర్ కూడా దా కాంబినేషన్ లోకి మార్చాలి. సో ది s plus 3 is converted as s minus 5 plus 8. So the total problem is converted to s plus 3 by s square minus 10s plus 29 equal to s minus 5 plus 8 by s minus 5 whole square plus 2 square. So to separate the denominator to the numerator, so first term s minus 5 by s minus 5 whole square plus 2 square and plus 8 is constant, 1 by s minus 5 whole square plus 2 square. So now it is possible to apply the first shifting theorem. First of all, we apply the L inverse on the both two functions. In the inverse Laplace transform, we have to convert s minus 5 to s. So first we multiply the opposite sign minus 5. In the question, we write the answer plus 5, e power 5t. So e power 5t, then the s minus 5 is converted to s by s square plus 2 square. It's not clear. I taking some whiteboard. So in the problem, s plus 3 by s square minus 10s plus 29 10s plus 29 as s minus 5 plus 8. The denominator is also s minus 5 whole square plus 2 square. We have to separate the denominator in the two functions. First function is s minus 5. మీకు డౌట్ త్రీ ఫంక్షన్స్ చేయొచ్చు కదండి. త్రీ ఫంక్షన్స్ is not exist because in the combination s minus 5 numerator also combination is in the s minus 5. So that's why I separate the denominator in the s minus 5. So s minus 5 whole square plus 2 square in the first term, and 8 is constant, 1 by s minus 5 whole square plus 2 square. Now applying L inverse on both sides. In the first term and second term, L inverse of second term also. So first we have to write s minus a is converted as s by using first shifting theorem. First we have to write the exponential term. The combination of exponential term here minus 5 in the above equation, we have to write the opposite sign plus 5. So e power 5t, I multiply e power 5t. So the s minus 5 is converted to s by s square plus 2 square. And 8 is constant, here also e power 5t is multiplied, and L inverse of 1 by s square plus 2 square. So here formulas are available. L inverse of s by s square plus a square cos 80, here a equal to 2 cos 2t, and 8 here 1 by s square plus a square. Here there is no two terms in the numerator, so we have to divide 2 and write sin 2t. So here 2 is available. L inverse of 2 by s square plus 2 square sin 2t. But 2 is not available. Multiplying and dividing with by 2. So the division value in the constant 8 by 2 sin 2t. 8 by 2 equal to 4. The final value is we have to common in the e power 5t to the right hand side value e power 5t. In the first value is cos 2t. So simplify 8 by 2, we getting 4 sin 2t. This is the required result. E power 5t into cos 2t plus 4 sin 2t. సో అలా సింప్లిఫై చేసుకోవాలి. ఇన్నిసార్లు చెప్పడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటంటే ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ అనేది వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రోల్ ఉంటుంది. ఎవ్రీ ప్రాబ్లంలో ప్రతి ప్రాబ్లంలో కూడా మనం ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ రివర్స్ అనేది అప్లై చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. And the second problem is just given find the L inverse of 1 by s square plus 2s plus 5. So we have to convert first the denominator as either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Observe that the combination of s or the sign of s, the s sign is plus, so it is possible to convert as a plus b whole square. So in the sign of s term, it is as a plus b whole square formation. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? The formula of a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here s square as a square. So a equal to s plus o 2ab plus 2 into a value. So a value is 1 and yes 2s, we have to write the 2s, 2 into 1 into s, and b square. B square means 1 square and the remaining value in 5 as 4. So L inverse of 1 by s square plus 2s plus 5, we have to convert as 1 by s square plus 2s into 1 plus 1 square plus 4. In the underlining value, a plus b whole square format. So here a is s, so b is 1. So s plus 1 whole square plus 4. 4 is also written as 2 square. So L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 2 square, we have to apply the first shifting theorem. So first we multiply e power minus at because we have to convert s plus 1 to s. So here plus 1 is available. We write the opposite sign minus 1. We have to multiply e power minus t, then automatically s plus 1 is converted to s. So it has square s square plus 2 square. The formula of L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square, here 2 is not available, so we have to divide 2 in the denominator. So e power minus t by 2 sin 2t is the required result. Suppose here 2 is available, it is sin 2t, 2 is not available. We have to divide and multiply with 2. So 1 by 2 is in the resulting value and 2 by s square plus 2 square as formula of sin 2t. Okay. And next problem, we are taking some logarithm problems. These problems are very, very important. And third problem is in 4 times, so it is given in the external examinations. So first we have to explain problem number 1. The one problem is log of 1 plus 1 by s square. First we have to simplify this log term and then applying the L inverse. So how to simplify the problem using the properties of logarithm? Logarithm properties use చేసుకొని solve చేద్దాం. So the given value, find the inverse Laplace transform. The statement is inverse Laplace transform applying the log of 1 plus 1 by s square. Every time the function of L inverse as f bar of s. So we have to take the given problem as f bar of s. The f bar of s value is log of, the f bar of s value is log of 1 plus log of 1 plus 1 by s square. Taking LCM in the parenthesis, లోపల ఉన్న వాల్యూకి LCM తీస్తే s square plus 1 by s square. It is also written in 1 plus s square also. So observe that the equation is log of s square plus 1 by s square. And after that, we have to apply the property of logarithm. What property we use? Log of a by b format. Log a by b we know that log a by b equal to log a minus log b. So here a value is s square plus 1 and b value is s square. So we have to convert log of s square plus 1 by s square as log of s square plus 1 minus log of s square. So this is the equation. Log of 1 plus s square minus log of s square. And another property is available in the logarithm, that is log of a power n. Log of a power n. So in the constant went to front of log n log a. Log of a power n, the constant and the power constant n come to front of the log. So n log a. Here log of s square we have to write 2 log s. How to write? Log of s square we have to write 2 into log s. So the final resulting value is log of 1 plus s square minus 2 log s. So finally the above of s value is the above of s value is 2s by 1 plus s square minus 2 by s, because above of s is the value is above of s value is log of 1 plus s square minus 2 log s. We have to apply the derivative with respect to s. So derivative of log x, 1 by x. Similarly, derivative of 1 plus s square, log of 1 plus s square. So 1 by 1 plus s square, and the internal derivative, so 1 plus s square derivative 2s. Minus 2 into derivative of log s, 1 by s. So we getting 2s by 1 plus s square minus 2 by s. Common to 2 in the both two terms, we have to getting s by 1 plus s square minus 1 by s. Now applying the L inverse on both sides. Now applying L inverse on the both sides. So L inverse of s by 1 plus s square and L inverse of 1 by s. These two values have formulas. The first formula is L inverse of s by s square plus 1. It has cos at. So cos here a value 1 and L inverse of 1 by s, it has also formula that value 1. So 2 into cos t minus 1. This is the L inverse of f bar of f bar dash of s. The derivative of f bar of s, we have to applying the L inverse. In the problem, one formula is available. L inverse of f dash of s is minus 1 power n t power n by L inverse of f bar of s. So the formula is, we know that L of t power n into f of t. So minus 1 power n d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. We have to reverse this property taking L inverse on both sides. L into L inverse equal to 1 and right side is a multiple of L inverse. So here we have to apply L inverse. In the applying L inverse, the derivative of f bar of s, simply we have to write f dash, taking n value 1. So t into f of t equal to minus 1 power 1, and a derivative means f bar dash of s, we have to apply a L inverse. So this is the conversion of the formula. Minus 1 power 1 t power 1 L inverse of f bar of s. Here n equal to 1. We have to observe the next step. L inverse of f bar of s equal to 2 by t into 1 minus cos t. So finally, f bar of s value log of s square by s square plus 1 or log of 1 plus 1 by s square. The final value is 2 by t into 1 minus cos t. First, we have to simplify the logarithm value using the properties of logarithm. We getting the answer log of 1 plus s square minus 2 log x. So we have to apply the derivative log x derivative 1 by x. So log of 1 plus s square is converted to 1 by s square, and derivative of 1 by s square, internal derivative 2s, minus 2 is constant, log s derivative 1 by s. So common to 2 in both terms, 2 into s by 1 plus s square and minus 1 by s. The property is coming from the multiplication by t power in the Laplace transform. Once again, I write the formula of t power n. So L of t power n into f of t equal to minus 1 power n d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. So in this problem, n value 1. So L of t into f of t is equal to minus 1 power 1, that equal to minus 1 d power 1 by ds power 1 into f bar of s. This equation is also written as L of t into f of t minus 1. So d by ds, derivative means one shortcut f dash of s. Okay. The dash indicates the derivative of function. And applying L inverse on both sides, t into f of t is equal to minus 1 into L inverse of f dash bar of s. Already we calculate the value of f bar of s. That value is 2 into 1 minus cos t. So the right side value is 2 into 1 minus cos t. So divide t on both sides, f of t equal to 2 by t into 1 minus cos t. This is the required result. So we have to write f of t equal to L inverse of f bar of s. The f bar of s value is log of 1 plus 1 by s square. The value is 2 by t into 1 minus cos t. Okay, అర్థమైందమ్మా ప్రాబ్లం. మల్టిప్లికేషన్ బై టీ పవర్ n ని రివర్స్ లో యూజ్ చేసుకొని ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, టేకింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. The second problem is we have to find L inverse. The L inverse function as f bar of s. The given problem is compared to f bar of s. So f bar of s is the given problem, log of s plus 3 by s plus 4. So using the logarithm properties, log a by b. So we know that log a by b equal to log a minus log b. Here a is the numerator function s plus 3 and b is the denominator value s plus 4. Log of s plus 3 minus log of s plus 4, and we have to apply the derivative. Why we apply the derivative? Because the logarithm has no formula in the inverse Laplace transform. It is converted into the s terms. లాగర్థం కి డైరెక్ట్ గా మనకి ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ లో ఫార్ములాస్ లేవు కాబట్టి లాగర్థం కి డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అప్లై చేసి వాటిని ఫార్ములాస్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. సో అప్లైయింగ్ ది డెరివేటివ్. సో వాట్ ప్రాపర్టీ వి యూజ్? మల్టిప్లికేషన్ బై టీ పవర్ n. సో L of t power n into f of t equal to minus 1 power n d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. Observe that here n value. So how many times we derive two logarithms, we getting the s value one time. So taking n equal to 1. So taking n equal to 1, the formula is converted to t power 1 and f of t minus 1 power n d by ds of f bar of s. So multiplying L inverse on both sides, in the left hand side t into f of t equal to minus 1 L inverse of derivative. So derivative is simply dash f dash of s. So that's why we find out first the derivative of f bar of s. The given problem is comparing f bar of s is log of s plus 3 by s plus 4 by using the logarithm property as log of a by b is log a minus log b. So log of s plus 3 is converted to log of s plus 3 minus log of s plus 4. Log of s plus 3 minus log of s plus 4. In the simplify formula, we have to find out the derivative of f bar of s. Now I applying the derivative of f bar of s. We know that log x, so derivative of log x equal to 1 by x. Here x in position is s plus 3 minus in second value is s plus 4. This is the derivative of f bar of s. Now we have to take in the total formula. T into f of t in left hand side equal to minus 1 L inverse of f bar dash of s. So that value is 1 by s plus 3 minus 1 by s plus 4. We know that the formula of L inverse of 1 by s plus 3, it is e power minus 3t. So in the left side t into f of t, right side value minus of e power minus 3t minus e power minus 4t. So divide t on both sides, f of t equal to e power minus 4t multiplying minus 2 square bracket minus e power minus 3t by t. We have to write f of t is L inverse of f bar of s. We know that f bar of s equal to log of s plus 3 by s plus 4. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం మనం ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. అంటే ఆన్సర్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఆన్సర్ ని బేస్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ taking L of t power n into f of t equal to minus 1 power n d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. We have the given problem is in the form of f bar of s. First we find out the derivative, then f bar dash of s and applying the minus 1 to the resulting value and also applying the L inverse. The total right hand side value is completed. Then we have to divide the t on both sides. We getting the answer f of t. What is the f of t? The f of t value is coming from the condition of Laplace L inverse of f bar of s that equal to f of t. So we have to replace f of t as L inverse of f bar of s. But f bar of s is the given problem statement. The statement is log of s plus 3 by s plus log of s plus 4. Okay. And a very, very important problem, third problem, 5 times. So it is given in the external examination. So first we have to take the given problem as f bar of s. It is also in the format of log a by b. We know that the formula of log a by b equal to log a minus log b. So log of s plus 1 by s minus 1 is converted to log of s plus 1 minus log of s minus 1 and applying the derivative of log of s plus 1 that equal to 1 by s plus 1 and derivative of log of s minus 1 that equal to 1 by s minus 1 and internal derivative is 1. So multiplying L inverse on both sides, in the left hand side only t into f of t. So applying the L inverse in the resulting value. So L inverse of 1 by s plus 1, it is formula of e power minus at, e power minus at minus L inverse of 1 by s plus 1, so e power at. We need only f of t value in the left hand side. We have to divide the t on both sides. We getting multiplying to minus e power at minus e power minus at, e power at minus e power minus at by t. We know that e power at minus e power minus at by 2, then it has sin hat Here a equal to 1. So multiplying and dividing with 2. So 2. E power t minus e power minus t by 2. It is sin ht. So t by 2. Sorry, 2 by t. 2 by t sin ht. This is the final answer. So in the left side, f of t is available. F of t is formula of L inverse of f bar of s. L inverse of f bar of s equal to log of s plus 1 by s minus 1. Okay. And the remaining 3 problems in the same format. So this is the homework problem. Taking a screenshot. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం హోంవర్క్ చేయండి, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని. L inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square. This is also multiplication by t power n property. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం హోంవర్క్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి. Okay, all of you raise your hands. డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా ఈరోజు క్లాస్ మీద? సో ఈరోజు క్లాస్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మనం ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో ఏ ప్రాపర్టీ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం చేయాలన్నా ఖచ్చితంగా ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఆ ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ గురించి ఈరోజు నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఆ ప్రాబ్లం ఒకటి హోంవర్క్ చేయండి. అలాగే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ బై టీ పవర్ n. సో ఈ 2 ప్రాపర్టీస్ మీద చేసాం. రేపు ఏంటంటే ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ కన్వల్యూషన్ థియరం. సో చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. రేపు క్లాస్ మిస్ అవ్వద్దు. కన్వల్యూషన్ థియరం రేపు మధ్యాహ్నం ఉంది కదా, వచ్చేద్దాం.